Remember when people made rumors about what the iPhone 14 Pro models will look like even before the 14 lineup was launched? Yeah, they said it will look something like this. But instead we got something like this. Although the design was an upgrade from the notch as well as something similar to the predictions, but only when looked from an angle. And trust me, you won't look from that angle almost 100% of the time. So the rumors of these designs were definitely wrong. And now, everyone's thinking that the iPhone 16 models will look something like this. Bro, Apple has been extremely good at keeping their secrets. Do you really think that you will get confidential info just by searching on Google? So yeah, this was the edit that I spent a lot of time on. I mean, just look at this, look at this. But believe me, I actually enjoyed this one, especially in that dynamic island effect. Oh god, I love tech. I know you might have some questions regarding this edit, so I've added some FAQs in the description. Make sure to check it out. This is Sam Dark Edit or Vidiate. Thanks for watching this edit, and I'll see you soon. Really soon.